Mobrage is your go-to vehicle expert locator. With our easy-to-use mobile app, connecting vehicle experts to vehicle users has become quick, efficient, and safe. We offer different services to connect vehicle experts and users, including but not limited to vehicle mechanics, rentals, MOT centers, dealerships, and more. Therefore, empowering users to easily access a broad network of experts to deal with any vehicle-related need or request. As a verified expert, you can create a profile on the Mobrage app to showcase your credentials and the vehicle services you provide, which will make you available and visible 24 hours to vehicle users. As a vehicle user, you may encounter issues from time to time and sometimes require urgent assistance, or you may need some routine services done. Whether such is the case, the Mobrage app is the right place to be. Once you find the right expert, you can either call or message them to discuss the job. After the job is accepted, track the live progress of the expert to you, all from within the app. Use the Mobrage app to quickly search for rated vehicle experts who can assist with your specific problem and narrow the search results down to a 5-mile radius of where you are. You can choose if you want the expert to come to you or to take your vehicle to them. Similarly, as an expert, you can either offer a mobile service where you go directly to the vehicle or a static service where the vehicle comes to you. With the Mobrage app, never again will a vehicle user be stranded on a motorway in the middle of the night, unsure of who to turn to. And never again will a vehicle expert miss out on reaching clients by not being visible when needed. Visit our website mobrage.com or download our app to get started.